Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you 3 school teaching job vacancies in Singapore. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.gigis.edu.sg. If you are entering this URL you can get this main page GIG International School Singapore. In this main page menu available. In this menu one of the option contact us in right corner available. If you click this link contact us, you can get one option career. If you click this link career, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for GIG International School Singapore. So here they are mentioned. For career inquiries, please send us your completed employment application form to careers@gigis.edu.sg. So here what are the vacancies mean? So information and communication technology, ICT. So candidate must have master degree in relevant subject with more than 3 years teaching experience in the IGCSE curriculum. So candidate must have bachelor's in education. So these are the things are mandatory for the candidate. So last date for the application is 15th June 2021. Then primary school teacher. So candidate should have degree minimum 3 years teaching experience in the IGCSE curriculum with the Bachelor of Education. So remuneration will be best in this field. So they are given here. So what is the jobs they are offering? The remuneration means the remuneration will be best in the field. They are mentioned here itself. So this job application deadline is 30th June 2021. Then mathematics teacher secondary level. This is qualification for master degree in mathematics. 3 years teaching experience in the IGCSE curriculum. So candidate experience in the IGCSE secondary school curriculum will be added advantage. This application deadline also 30th June 2021. Then biology teacher, secondary teacher. This what is the qualification in master degree in the bioscience with minimum 3 years teaching experience in the IGCSE curriculum. Candidate with the experience in the IGCSE secondary school curriculum will be given an advantage. Remuneration will be best in the field. This job application deadline is 15th June 2020. So these four are the vacancies. If your subject vacancies are available, you can apply as per the instruction. How to apply means they are given here. Please send us your completed employment application. If you click this link employment application form, you can get one job application form. GIG International School Employment Application Form. This application form should take approximately 10 minutes to complete. There are 10 sections to this application form. You can download and you can fill this job application form and submit the particular mail ID. The first one is personal information, academic qualification, professional qualification, your current job and past employment record, family particulars, language proficiency, computer literacy proficiency, interest, references. Finally, you can give a declaration. Once you have completed this job application form, you can send the job application via email to career@gigis.edu.sg. Only employment application form, no need to send cover letter and CV. So they are clearly mentioned, only employment application form only you can send this particular mail ID. The second one is you can enter in the URL www.dps.edu.sg. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of DPS International School. I will give it to you the direct link in the description. You can use and apply as per the instruction. So here one of the option careers available. If you click this link careers, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for DPS International School career. So DPS is always looking for a competitive or dedicated talent. Should you feel that you have abilities and qualification which are unique and exemplary, please apply at recruit@dps.edu.sg. So what are the position mean? 21-22 French teacher, urgent requirement. What are the qualification? Post graduation and B.Ed level, primary and secondary. So here they are given teaching post criteria, teaching experience, academic qualification, essential qualification also they are mentioned here, fluency in spoken and written English, experience of IGCSE or A level classes, teacher training is mandatory, that means B.Ed is mandatory, preferences they will give experience of teaching international school and Singapore tuition. They are giving preferences. So if you are interested these job vacancies, you can mail your CV to recruit@dps.edu.hg. Make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification and job description, etc. Please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. The third one is you can enter in the URL npsinternational.com.sg. If you are entering this URL, you can get these main pages, NPS International School. In this main page, one of the option careers available. If you click this link careers, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for NPS International School. They are seeking history teacher, dance teacher, assistant teacher. Already they are seeking French, middle school mathematics, design technology and mathematics teacher. So these are the current vacancies for academic year 21-22. For example, if you are interested for history teacher, you can click this link. So here what they expect from the candidate, bachelor or master or MPhil or doctorate in the relevant subject coupled with a teaching diploma and degree in education from the institute. At least 3 to 5 years proven teaching experience in the international school. Excellent classroom practices, familiarly experience with modern educational thinking and practices, highly digital literacy experience in new technologies, initiative and commitment to continuous professional development. So if you are interested these job vacancies, please send in your resume with full particulars to vacancies@npsinternational.edu.hg. So here they are mentioned. So one by one you can check. Depends upon your subject, you can check the qualification and requirement, what are the things they are preferred from the candidate. Assistant teacher, French teacher, middle school mathematics teacher, technology teacher, design and technology teacher. So here they are mentioned design and technology teacher position description. Make sure before applying, please check all the details. IB mathematics teachers. So these are the vacancies. If you are interested in these vacancies, you can apply as per the instruction. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friend. Someone will be benefited. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. If you have any doubt about these job vacancies, you can comment. I will reply to you. If you want more details about these job vacancies, you can check it in the menu itself. You can get it everything in the menu itself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.